Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, look at this colorful plate. It look good, man. Wow, look at the papaya. It's so orange and beautiful, guys. Look on the watermelon. That look good, Jesus. Look at what the birds are being fed this morning. So yes, guys. So this morning we'll be giving to our birds fruits, and the two fruits that we chose for this morning is papaya and watermelon. Now, guys, you know that they get watermelon quite often. Our watermelon is a part of their diet. So we're introducing the papaya to them. I think we tried it once or twice before, but this is us reintroducing it to them to see if they would actually eat it, if they might like it, or if they might be a funny. Some birds picky, and some birds are picky eaters, just like our children. They just avoid certain things, right? Yes. So anyway, guys. This is being given to all our birds. So earlier saw that the lovebird got some, now the budgie is getting some. So we're giving them, but we're giving the budgie less, you know why? Because I think they are one of the picky eaters. They not really fancy certain stuff. And now we're gonna give it to the cockatiel. When I say everybody is getting, I mean everybody. The doves were moved out recently, so they are not a part of everybody. But the cockatiel, the lovebird, and the budgies, which are dominant in this men, they will be getting the papaya and the watermelon. Now, guys, we know that fruits are good for the birds. Just like how fruits good for we, it's good for the birds. However, they have to get these stuff in moderation. 'Cause you know what? It get too much. I remember fruits are naturally sweet, and we have to think about our birds' health. Now, to bring things up to speed, papaya is very good for them. Papaya is a great source of vitamin A, vitamin, I think I B, and vitamin E. I think I see vitamin A, C, and E. That's a good source. It also contains fibers and antioxidants, which are good for them. However, guys, as I was telling you, they have to get it in moderation. So the ringneck getting their share now. As well as we have to pick out the seed. We have to pick out the seed because the seed can be poisonous towards them if them get it in large quantity. So if you look into that Moses is separating the seed each time he's about to give a new set. So yeah, when I give them, separate the seed. I give them no seed and we will make no harm to the bird them, okay? Take care of bird them. But watermelon has vitamin A, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. So so much supplement I get, and the watermelon helps to hydrate them. Again, you realize I want to give them the red part, just give them the skin portion of the watermelon. It has a lot of water that is good for them. And if you don't give them the red part, please to separate the seed as it can be choking hazard for them. Yes, guys, so that's it. Everybody get. I will provide an update if they eat, if they actually eat the papaya, cause that's what we are concerned about now. We know them are gonna eat the melon. But you go right up to ring it. We know them are gonna eat the watermelon. So I just know if them eat the papaya. Yes. So if there's anything else you know about the papaya that you want to inform me about, you can drop a comment in the comment section of this video and I'll look into it. And if there's any topic you want me to discuss, we can discuss it. But this is their diet for today. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification bell. Goodbye.